Yo, what's going on with y'all? You feel me? We back with another video. You feel me? Look at this joint. You feel me? Today we rocking with cheeseburger quesadillas, and we got curly fries on the side. You feel me? We got this special sauce on the side. It's called special sauce, but that sounds a little sus. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna say we got probably tastes like mac sauce. You feel me? I don't know, but we gonna taste it right now and see what it's hitting off of. This joint got onions, tomatoes, lettuce, and burger meat inside a quesadilla. Let's try it in here and see what it's hitting off for. Should have tried it regular first. That's mac sauce. This shit tastes like a burger. Later in quesadilla form. This joint, dang. Hold on. I'm gonna put y'all on right now. I'm gonna put you on, Snacks. Yo, this joint right here, man, it's yourself a burger quesadilla. You gotta get the sauce, you feel me? You gotta make the sauce, it's homemade. Some fries on the side. It's gonna do you for sure. I got my water on the side. Feel me? If you know, you know. I'm gonna try it without it real quick. Wait, there's some on it, but like, you know what I'm talking about. Without dipping it inside. That's all bad. This was my idea, but I didn't make it. My girl did. Shout out to her. This shit, man, I ain't gonna lie. So that's what we have. Feel me? I don't do no faking. I know what it is. Hashtag no faking. I might be dumb right now. Appreciate all the love and support. Love every last one of y'all. That John was banging, I ain't gonna lie. And until next time.